Hi and welcome to Code Vyxis, and I'm actually going to teach you how to create Bukkit Plugins. This is the first tutorial how to actually set up. I've seen a couple of tutorials how to do this. I actually want to go into as easy as possible, um, explaining how to do things from step 1 to step 100. So don't you can actually just uh, ask me, hey, can you make this plugin? Like, can you explain this? How to actually do this? And I can actually explain this. Uh, so, but first of all, I'm just going to make some like basic plugins, broadcast, perhaps a home plugin, uh, an expression plugin, which is actually what I started with on Lumia Craft, but I stopped Lumia Craft. So I give them all the rights, but I still have actually my rights that I actually did. But anyway, let's start. So first of all, you need an IDE. This is you can actually choose your own, but most of us actually play with we develop and play with Eclipse. Like you see the thingy already over there. So first of all, go to eclipse.org/downloads and get the EE developers part because it has more library efforts. If you want to actually like use it for more things than just Java, you can actually have a full IDE already set. So depends on 32 and 64-bit what you want, and what your actually your Windows or your Mac or Linux computer can hold. So install that. Just do the normal related install. Don't do anything custom. Try to get anything in there. Every library you can actually click. And so yeah, let's start this up. And actually, this takes a long time. And give me my thingy. Where's my thingy? Here's my thingy. Okay. Wait, this actually needs to go back on my other screen because I don't want any filth on this screen. I have the Kepler version. It's like the latest version because the version before here was Juno and it had a little bit of problems, and I like this very much. And it actually takes a long time, but what we can actually already do on when it starts, actually killed my Google Chrome. That's pretty good. So, and I already have no internet. That's weird. Wow. My internet is very weird today. Okay, go to Google. Why aren't you going to Google? What the hell is this? Go to Google. Laptop, what are you doing? What the fuck? Bitches! Okay, let's pause this for a second and, yeah, sorry. And we're back. Depends, if you installed Hamachi, kill it before you go to internet. That's like the smartest thing I actually have said today. Okay, first off, go to dl.bukkit.org and click on alternate versions. Why? I can't speak today. Alternate versions. If my internet is not fucking up again. Come on! What the hell is this? Why are you doing this to me? Ah! So as I've said, go to alternate versions, get to the development builds and get the latest development build because that's what you want. And that's not the only thing you actually need. This is the Crafbukkit, and you need to click this. Sorry, not to click that. Click this. Okay, you need Crafbukkit and Bukkit. There's like two things you actually need. Development builds. This actually needed to better my development builds anyway. So first of all, what you need to do is to actually set your workspace when you start up Eclipse, but that's okay. You can just choose your own. I just need to set my stuff up here for really quick. Libraries, where are you? Libraries. Delete these three. Yes. Wait for these to download. Put these in my libraries. So I actually have my libraries here because this actually needs to go. This actually doesn't help. Well, Volt and Voidfire is like one of the things I actually try and. Oh, where did it go? Come on, get it. No, what are you? I'm not a good guy. Actually, I can't record and shit. So sorry if I actually curse a lot. That's because I'm a gamer. So if we're done, if we have done that, go to your Eclipse if it's started, and let me clear up this filth here because this actually doesn't need to be here. Yeah, 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 yeah. Okay, let's see. Yeah, don't mention this. It's just stuff I'm working on. The first thing we do is actually when we start a Bukkit plugin, you start up your Eclipse. You have your library set in your kind of folder, and mine is in my workspace in the library folder, and you just click New. Then this screen kind of pops up, and you just click Java Project Next, and you give it a name. Let's say Test Vyxis Project, and you click Finish. When you've done that, you can open your project, which stands on the left hand side in your package builder. And this is actually how I set it up. It looks different from your own because yeah, I prefer something. And when you have your Java EE downloaded and installed, you actually start with this. Well, go to Window, and let me think if it's actually Window. Open Perspective and click on Java. Then you get something similar to mine, but a little bit different. And I hope you get your package explorer to your left hand side, because that's very useful. But this is just for now. You don't need to focus on it later on. Only if I actually tell you to just open your package explorer and actually just play around with Eclipse, just like a lot. Okay, first thing to do is right click your project name and go to properties. You get your properties screen over here and just go to Java build path and you click on add external jars. Now what you need to do is get your library where you put your Bukkit and your Crafbukkit development builds and just both click them. Click OK, open them. Then you need a Java doc. Let's see, what was the Java doc again? Just go to your Google, you just go Java doc Bukkit and you just get it for Eclipse. Doesn't matter. This mostly actually has it. That's not actually it. Let's see, what was it again? Oh yeah, here. Jump to Java docs. Come on. Here it is. Perfect. Just need to copy this. For both, it's actually alright. Just double click it, put it in, delete that space in the front if you have it, validate. Location is valid because it has a package list and index.html. OK. Press OK. And do the same for your Crafbukkit. Delete the space again. OK. And OK. When that's happened, you actually get your referred libraries. This has tons of stuff in it, from Bukkit stuff to normal ebean to JavaX to YML. And YAML actually stands for YML ain't a markup language. So don't tap or anything in it, but that's for next. Thanks for watching. This is actually how to set up your first thing. What we're actually going to do now is wait, I actually forgot something. Right click, go to your source, like your project again, go to your right click on your source, click on new and click a package. What normal plugins developers do is if you have a little bit of advanced knowledge of Java, you know that the dot is a slash, so it actually is like if you're in your Explorer and you go map and map and map. But if you don't have it's normally to actually like start your domain, like because I'm Dutch, it's like a now dot bucket dot plugin name. So this is like test Vyxis. Oh wait, try to get your package always on lower characters. I can't speak today, seriously. Test Vyxis project. You don't need to actually put in your full project name. You can just TVP and make it easier for yourself. What a lot of plugin developers do, because they don't have their own domain, it's me dot your own name, so that's Vyxis dot DVP, and just click finish. Now you right click your package which is popped up here, and you go new class. What a lot of plugins developers do is you just test Vyxis plugin projects or project. But what I actually tend and like to do is just keep it easy and like straight Java and make it main. You just ram finish, and you have your first main.java class open. First of all, what we need to do to actually start developing is extending it to a Java plugin. So extends. Oh, I actually need extends Java plugin. And when you hover over it, you can actually get a menu. Get me the menu. Give me the menu. Okay. You need to import the Java plugin from your org.bukkit.plugin.java. But you can. It's easier to do Control Shift O or Command Shift O, and it implements all missing libraries you need. So that's pretty. That's smarter and faster to do. But this time we're going to just import it like this, and I'm going to delete it now and just do Command Shift O or Control Shift O because I'm on a PC actually. And you see that we implemented your Java plugin, and that's what we're doing for this time. Next time will be your on enable, disable, and your first little bit command you can actually do. So thanks for watching, and goodbye.